highlights of the IPO. IPO shall open on 26th May and close on 28th May, with the anchor tranche opening and closing on 23rd May, that is tomorrow. IPO consists of a fresh issue of around 2500 crore and an offer for sale of around 1000 crore, totaling to 3500 crores. The price band is rupees 413 to rupees 435 and the bid lot size is 34 shares. With that, I would like to, on behalf of the management of Schloss Bangalore Limited, the Leela Palace Hotels and Resorts, and the BRLMs to the IPO, I take great pleasure in extending a very warm welcome to each one of you present in this press meet for the launch of the Schloss Bangalore IPO. We at Kotak are proud to be book-running lead managers to the IPO of Schloss Bangalore, the only institutionally owned and managed pure-play luxury hospitality company in India. The company owns, operates, manages, and develops luxury hotels and resorts under the leading brand, the Leela, with a strong focus on building a luxury brand specializing in Indian hospitality. The Leela brand was ranked as #1 among the world's best hospitality brands in 2020 and 2021, and among the world's top 3 hospitality brands in 2023 and calendar year 2024.
Today, our business in India, as Brookfield, we have over 2.5 lakh crores of assets that we are actively managing across the country. And while all our investments are very special in India, I would say that Leela is truly unique and something that's very close to my heart. Leela is not just an investment for us, it's a celebration of Indian hospitality at its finest, a representation of Atithi Devo Bhava, guest is God. And I was talking to our general manager earlier in the morning today, and he was telling me that Atithi Devo Bhava parampara started in Gujarat, and Leela has really taken this parampara across the country and has been able to invite guests not only in the domestic but also internationally. In 2019, when we were evaluating this business as Brookfield, we realized that Leela was a very special and unique brand, and it had a very special story to it. The service excellence, the nature of the culture of the properties, all of it needed a new sponsorship, and we are very fortunate that we were given this opportunity to be able to stand behind the Leela platform. And over the last few years, we have been able to grow this platform quite significantly.
Hotels, because the brand for us is very, very important. This is a picture of a most recent opening, the Leela in Hyderabad, 2.5 acres in Banjara Hills. This also is a snapshot of our Baki portfolio. The Leela Ambience Convention Hotel East Delhi here. This is one of the largest convention spaces in the country. So there are 3 places. This one, Mahatma Mandir, and now Yeshobhumi. So this is amongst the largest in the country, but with the hotel attached to it. The Leela Ambience Gurugram is in the heart of Gurugram, where 200 of the global India, Asia Pacific offices of Fortune 500 companies are located. The Leela Bhartiya City in Bangalore is the second property in Bangalore. This is a 125 acres of integrated smart city. So this hotel is very, very unique in its location. Leela Hyderabad I spoke about, your own Leela Gandhinagar, and the Leela Kovalam. This is again an iconic asset, amazing location. Is the only hotel in the country which is on a cliff and has panoramic view of the sea, and the Leela Ashtamudi, which is surrounded by lakes all around and has got a phenomenal programming and experiences. So as you can see, Leela is very singularly focused on luxury, asset quality, and what experiences that we can create for our guests, and hence it creates great economic value through our higher premium that we command on rates, and which leads to a significant EBITDA flow-through and margin. Now I want to give you some light in terms of what the opportunity is, what Leela is playing in today. If you look at this chart, it tells you when the overall GDP of a country is powered up to double in the next 10 years, in India's case, is expected to double in the next 5 years or 7 years. When it becomes a 7 trillion economy, when you look at the US market and the European market, when these economies doubled up to a 7 trillion odd mark, the prominent hospitality players in their market grew by almost 7 times and 4 times in number of hotels. So this opportunity is lying ahead for India as well. There is a great correlation between GDP of the country, growth of the acceleration of the GDP and the hospitality. This is what my point was, and of course, Leela is at the epicenter of this opportunity for us to take advantage of.
More from the luxury industry, जो luxury industry players हैं, और अगर हम सारा hospitality देखें तो we are 3 times more. But preference कहता क्या है? क्या ये नंबर है 300 मैं आपको कह रहा हूँ? इसका ये मतलब कि कस्टमर लीला में रहने के लिए 40% ज़्यादा रेट देने को तैयार है. That's what रेफार इंडेक्स in simple term means. अगर मैं रेफार एब्सोल्यूट नंबर आपको बताऊँ तो हमारे पोर्टफोलियो का एवरेज रेफार नंबर 15,300 है. एज अगेंस्ट जो लग्जरी इंडस्ट्री के पेयर का देखो नंबर वो 11,000 है, और होटल का देखो एवरेज सारे होटल का तो 5,300 है. तो आप देखो 5,300 हमारा रेफार 15,300 है, और लग्जरी इंडस्ट्री अगर देखो जो एकदम सेम प्लेटफॉर्म पे है उससे हम ऑलमोस्ट 40% जा रहे हैं. ये रेफार इंडेक्स भी हम ज़्यादा नहीं है. अगर हम ट्रेडपार देखें जनराग मेंशन जिस मतलब है टोटल रेवेन्यू पर अवेलेबल हो, जिसमें रूम्स के अलावा आपका F&B आ जाता है, जो आउटलेट है, बैंक्वेट हमारे होटल्स में, स्पा है, लॉन्ड्री है, इन सब का अगर हम रेवेन्यू जोड़े इससे भी हमें 40% प्रीमियम मिलता है. तभी हमारा ट्रेडपार 40% जाता है. और ये नंबर हम नहीं कह रहे हैं, ये थर्ड पार्टी हमें कहती है. STR होता है या इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट्स होते हैं, उनकी रिपोर्ट में ये प्रीमियम्स आते हैं. ये नहीं कि हम खुद ही बता देंगे हम 40% जाता है, थर्ड पार्टी बैक रिपोर्ट है. ये ट्रेडपार प्रीमियम और रेफार प्रीमियम के कारण और हमारा कॉस्ट मैनेजमेंट के कारण वी आर एबल टू ड्राइव अ ग्रॉस ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉफिट ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 55%. This is 8% more than the luxury industry average and 10% more than the hospitality industry. एक बार मैं फिर से कहूँगा, कोई होटल कंपनी इन लग्जरी स्पेस 55% जीओपी मार्जिन नहीं करता है. ये सिर्फ लीला करता है. बिकॉज हमारे पास एकदम फोकस मैनेजमेंट है. एक एक क्या खर्चा करना है, कहाँ रेवेन्यू बढ़ाना है, कौन सा एरिया है जहाँ हमें एक फैसिलिटी डालना है. अनुराग ने कहा हमने जो बैंक्वेट बनाया बैंगलोर में वो पार्किंग स्पेस था. उस पार्किंग स्पेस को हमने बैंक्वेट स्पेस बनाया और उससे रेवेन्यू जनरेट कर रहे हैं. वो नंबर नहीं है DRHP में, नहीं तो मैं आपको नंबर बताता. अच्छा बड़ा एक सब्सटैंशियल करोड़ों में नंबर है जो हमने लास्ट ईयर कमाया, उसका डबल हम इस साल कमाएंगे. जो पार्किंग से 0 रेवेन्यू था, या स्टोर है जिससे हम उसमें हमने आउटलेट बना दिया, जगह भी स्पीकी सी बात.